How you guys doing today? About to cook chicken tandoori for my friend Nagendra. This is a wedding present, man. My brother is in the background. My ama's right here. Hey, Kira, the Uber is a tiny time, is it? Anyhow, I'm gonna show you guys here, okay? That's it for right now. Peace. Right now. अब मेन चाहिँ मेरिनेट एउटा ग्लोभ छ कि छैन ग्लोभ पनि चाहिन्छ अनि राम्रो हुन्छ होला ग्लोभ बाहिर भयो है अनि that's it right now we're almost ready to make it, you know. This boy don't believe me, I make the best chicken tandoori in the world, but here it is. Color छ colorful color कि paprika छ paprika हो paprika चाहिँ just color लाई मात्रै it has no damn taste, nothing. Y'all gonna be dancing like that when I make this, bro. I'm like, damn, who made this, bro? Show me too. Learn, bro, learn. So इसमें बहुत मोड़ने मेरिनेट करना पड़ता है इसको. जितने मेरिनेट अच्छा करेगा वो. अब हेर यो बडी योगर्ट किन हाल्यो भने यसको यो स्टिक हुँदैन के उसको यो रेड चिली को र यिनीहरु के त्यसमा थोरै मात्रै हाल्छ हैन. मेन चाहिँ फ्लेभर आउने हो जिरा र सल्ट मात्रै हो के. रेड चिली चाहिँ जस्ट फर द स्पाइसेस हुन्छ नि.
सिकी बस के दाइ मैले के गरौँ. You got the people, man?
मैले कसरी सिक्यो भन्नु लाग्यो how I learned this YouTube हेर्दै भिडियो हेर्दै इन्डियन र स्टाइल पनि हेर्यो पाकिस्तान पनि हेर्यो बेस्ट चाहिँ पाकिस्तान र उ रहेछ के स्टाइल चाहिँ पन्जाबीको के.
This guy man right here man he's a true chef.
अनि यसलाई अझै यसलाई हैन यो यस्तोमा के त्यसमा मैले कट बनाएको चाहिँ किनभने यसमा जाओस् के आफ्नै बुझाना है सब ठीक है ना. अनि लास्टमा चाहिँ चाखेन भने अलिकति फ्लेभर आएन नि उ मात्रै हो के अरे लेमनको उ मात्रै हो कि द्याट्स इट. अरू केही छैन द्याट्स इट. यसलाई मस्तले माया गर्नुपर्छ कि यसलाई माया गरेर कि यसलाई पुरै होइन यु हेभ टु लभ दिस चिकन यु नो जस्ट काइन्ड अफ जस्ट लभ इट टच इट मसाज दिनुपर्छ कि यसलाई पनि. कलर छ ऊ के हाम्रो बहिनी द्याट्स इट सक्यो होइन. अब यसलाई अलिकति जिन्जर पेस्ट ग्राइन्ड गरेर हालिदिन्छु थोरै. Who wants to talk to mote? Just let me know how it tastes, so that way you know at least tell me if it's salty then right. It just has to taste like that.
There's two.
Huh? Pizza?
There's no spice man.
Ajano?
Yeah, put over there.
Gaf na biri.
I'm talking to
Kati bira hands dale am. You want to taste it? Let me know. Taste it now? Or no? Yeah, I just want to make sure I give the best.
I was fine with it, man.
Who?
So I hang up the phone.
Who?
Go back. Phone goes
That's good. That's good. New Hampshire guys. What's up, man? What's up, Kayla?
Yo, what's up?
What it do?
Hey.
What are you spilling this thing? You spilling?
Where you at?
Careful, bro.
We at the right here, bro.
What's up, dog?
Oh, okay.
How's it going? Good. How you guys doing? Finally making chicken now. It's called chicken tandoori. For those of you who don't know, this is the Indian style. Very delicious, nutritious, tasty, delicious. I can smell it right now in the front. It smells real good. You know, I'm the best when it comes to this. No one beats me, guys. So here we go. All right, here we go. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Here we go, y'all. Let's go. Close it up. Bam. I don't know. I'm not about to soon. How you guys doing? I've been grilling for a long time, and you know that's the result right there, as you can see right here. It's just, you know, it's one of my specialties. Anyhow, it's a lovely weather out here. I love New Hampshire, as you can see. Sorry, the brightness is over here. Anyhow, it is what it is. It's good life, guys. Thank you all for watching my videos. I know sometimes I can be boring or repetitive, but it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Just hit me up anytime. Give me new suggestions on my videos too. Anyhow, thank you all. God bless.
This nigga fuck up, bro. Why you listening to this guy?
End of the meal right now. We're done with this. It's a little good loving. Good loving, man. Just good loving for this thing, you know. It's all you need, the good love. Good loving, man. This is just the loving part, you know? Yup, it's the good loving right here, man. Good loving right here. That's all you gotta need, man. Good? Good? Thank you, brother. Wow, that's it.